Welcome back guys to DBK Productions. In this video we're going to replace an injector on my B7 project. We just received one from Poland and we have bought all the necessary tools to install one. We could have done this without the tools, but if we do everything to the spec we shouldn't go wrong in this. So I hope I won't destroy anything in the process. But anyways, we did buy a new torque wrench and a torque angle gauge, so we can calibrate the injector, pump lifters. Also we did receive a middle silencer for the exhaust and a downpipe. I'm not sure if we're going to install these in this video, but anyways in one of the later ones. So today I'm joined with my friend. She's going to assist me in doing this, and let's see where this takes us. Now we have to adjust these bolts so that the injector has the correct adjustments. We're going to take 18mm wrench like this. Then we're going to attach it to the camshaft bolt. It's 18mm as I said. And then you're going to turn the engine. After the camshaft is at the top position for the cylinder number 3, you're going to tighten this bolt down with an Allen key till it doesn't go any further, and then 100 degrees back. Then tighten it up and it should be fine. I'm going to try to do that now. Let's see how it goes. So, in the previous episode we realized that the middle silencer was broken in two halves, so we ended up buying a new one. We put everything back together and everything went pretty smoothly from that on. The car ran pretty fine, but under a heavy load it did shake a little bit, probably because of the EGR Delete. I'm going to try to contact my friends to delete the software part of the EGR valve, but in the meanwhile I'm going to leave you with a little ride to the city along with a sound test for the new exhaust. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please press that like button, it really means a lot. And if you'd like, you can follow me on Instagram for previews on the following videos. Anyways, this is going to be it for this video guys, thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next one.